Hi guys, so I will be having another unboxing, but let me first introduce our special guest.
Hi guys, it's Jay and here.
Very, very special.
Very special siya guys, so lalagyan natin siya ng blind.
Very special unboxing.
Lagyan natin siya ng blind po.
Hi guys, so I will be unboxing while blindfolded.
Okay, hawak ko lang. So, first gift.
Hi guys.
Ito siya guys. Okay. Ano kaya yan?
Wait lang, I don't know.
Okay, ready mo na tanggalin yung blindfold? Booster. 1, 2.
Aray ko! Ako na. Ay, guys, I got No! ang gulo ng ating pag-unbox.
Okay na.